From the hollers and hills of West Virginia, it's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode. Stay tuned. Boom!
So this here is a HU550FN lawnmower. Again, it's a HU550FN. That's the lawnmower. It's a 22-inch self-propelled front drive lawnmower. And our throttle cable snapped last week when we went to try to get it. We got a new one in, and we're going to put it on. So let's show you how to do that real quick. Set you up here on the tripod. Dun, 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 dun. All right, and so you're good there. Now we got the part on Amazon, $10.99. We had to wait Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's how long we've waited. We got it on Thursday, and so anyhow, you can see you're going to have to remove this old one here. And then you have to pull your drive cable out. So those will be a couple things. They do provide extra zip ties, so you can zip tie it back on here. You're gonna need a tool to remove right here. Make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, y'all can see that. I'll make sure I get everything. All right, so again, right here, you'll have to have a tool. Remove that. It don't want to just pop right out, so we're just going to take a hammer and smack it with maybe a little punch it out. We'll replace that. We'll pull this other cable out. We'll fix all this up, show you how to do it. Up here in the handle where this was at, all this does is it just kind of pops in there like so, and then it goes on down there. This is the old one right here. We don't want that, but we'll get to that here in just a second. Flathead. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do is you want to get a flathead instead and use that flathead screwdriver. Pop it right out of there like that. Just all you need is a good flathead, pops right out. Once you get that out, you'll have to undo this spring right here for your drive. Got that out. Now you got to remove the cable from there. And so how does it go in there? Gotta have some pliers. We're gonna need some pliers for that. pair of needle nose pliers. There's right inside this hole right here. You just pinch those little ears like so. And out it comes, just like that. So you're all done there. Now, keep on working your way down. I've got good ties here, so I don't have to remove them just yet. Oh, come on. Tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut that piece off so I can just zip it. Well, no, I gotta remove them anyhow. Hang on a minute. I'll have to remove them anyway, so use a hammer. Usually them things don't want to come off. All right, there's that one. And yeah, dog it, boy, it's on there now, I tell you. There's that one. Yeah, we gotta cut those zip ties. Use a pair of side snips. Snip the zip tie right there. Run your cord on down. Got it right there. All right, now you got right here. I'm gonna get over here and kind of look what we got going on. Just make sure I don't maybe have to take it all apart. I'm hoping anyhow. All right. So you gotta pinch those and pinch them, pull it out, and then it's got little ears on it right here again. So you pinch those, pull them out, then you just twist that around. There's the old cable. Now, here's the top end by your throttle lever. Here, this right here goes down into the throttle, what we just took apart. Here's those two ears right here. So you can see the ears, you'll pinch those and they'll go right back into there. But first you'll have to make sure you secure your cable to your throttle down here. All you're gonna do is take this, poke it up through the hole, turn it like that, and it'll lock itself in the same as it does up here in this hole on your lever. So then down here, find the hole, turn her around, put your cable through there like so. Oops. There we go. Got it hooked up. All right. Get you a zip tie out here. Run you right through here like so. Zip tie number one goes right here. And then take and put zip tie number two here where the other old zip tie was, which is right here. All right, now, pretty self-explanatory, but now just take and put it all back the way it was on these Come on out there, you rascal. Yep, baby. Probably better just to go ahead and pull him out. Let me grab something. You gotta help or you don't get to play. You gotta help him. That's the rules.
I want to play on the trampoline.
Well, you can play on the trampoline as soon as you help your brother. You gotta help, Sissy Pooh. That's just how life is, okay? We gotta help each other, all right? That's just how it lives around here. If we don't help one another,
I don't like doing jobs like that.
I understand, but we gotta help, okay?
It's only too rough when you try to work
Yeah, well,
and you get hot, then you go inside for a long time to cool off.
yeah, I understand, but you gotta. It's part of living here. We gotta help one another, okay? Everybody needs help.
All I'll do is just be a good girl and,
Well, then be a good girl and go help him.
well, sometimes I don't like doing that.
Well, I understand.
It's too rough.
Nobody wants to do that kind of stuff, okay? You think he wants to sit up there and do that? But if you help him, he gets done a lot quicker, and then he'll be thankful, and then he can help you next time you need help. That's how life works, Sissy.
Well, I'm tired of me picking up all the toys and him not helping.
Kira, wasn't the deal. Remember? Still was. You're out here. Gotta be working. Come on, help me clean up some rocks.
There, pull that through like so. That back on. Good there. Good there. Pull that out. Get that off. And that is how you replace your lawnmower stuff.
Have a good one. We'll see you next time right here in the Holland Hills of West Virginia.
Don't forget to smash that like button. That notification bell.
Don't get the dog.
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the dog.
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And
And
subscribe.